Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum, and we're going to talk about some of these alt and what type of correction we're going to be anticipating over the next like a few hours, few days, and so on, right? So yeah, so we're going to talk about all of that good stuff, right? And basically, don't forget to hit the likes as usual, right? Join my public Telegram group. We got over 900 traders. If you're looking to join Sun Crypto Premium, you can definitely join my premium for the next alt wave to the upside. Most of these alt guys, they're pretty bullish, and they're gonna basically pump massively over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? It is just a correction. I don't see anything crazy. Once again, I said it on the 14th. Last time Bitcoin dumped right here, the 13th, the 14th, right? What we said was like sucker it is still very bullish. You can see like since like the 14th, we pumped like what, guys? We pumped over like 25%, right? After that big sell-off right here. And if you take a look at it, we're still creating a higher low right here. Okay, so it is not something crazy as of now. All right, so something to keep in mind, right? If you take a look at it on, let's go ahead and take a look at it on Binance, on Bitstamp or somewhere. Let's do this. So basically, just to get it started, Bitcoin is still bullish. Okay, I don't see no sign of reversal yet. Sign of rejection, yes, but I don't see sign of reversal yet, right? Give me guys 1 second, all right? Okay. All right, guys. So excuse me, I was just talking to Satoshi and trying to figure out which way he wants to go, right? So now let me take a look at the chat room, see if you guys can getting a good signal and all of that good stuff. So it seems like you guys getting a good signal, right? So we're gonna take our time and do it right and take it to the moon, right? So sucker is very bullish. So that's the first thing we need to know, right? Just like we did last time on the 14th, it is like the 22nd, just about like less than 10 days. It is not time to be panicking. Okay, I'm still bullish on the market. I'm still bullish, and we just need to break this 55 to 61, and we're going to be looking for the 75k target. Okay, so now we gotta take a look at the macro scale. Once again, we talk about the macro scale. We said clearly, okay, the 50-day cycle going to open on the 19th, right? The 20th, right? So we could see high volatility. Okay, it might, even though the cycle is very bullish, it is a 50-day cycle. All right, it is not like we're gonna pump right after the cycle open. We're gonna pump straight up to 100k and all of that good stuff. So I gave you a warning like last month when when BTC was dropping just about like 30k, right? We said it is not time to be panicking. Maybe like we just have to wait till the 20th of February, right? 22nd through the 24th, we could see high volatility and BTC could be very volatile. That's it. Okay, but I don't see like a big wave to the downside so far. Okay, so if you take a look at the 50-day cycle, right, we just opened yesterday, and I said it, guys, I told you a few weeks back, okay, we're gonna see some sort of pullback in this cycle. And if you really pay attention to the current cycle, you can see like it's no way, okay, we're gonna be closing below 30k. Okay, I mean, I wouldn't say no way, but the likelihood of seeing a BTC closing below 30k which is like previous cycle low, it is very actually previous cycle low was like 27.7, okay, which is at the same time yearly low. So Bitcoin closing below yearly low is very unlikely, okay. It is not likely it is not a good setup to be calling for like a 30k BTC and all of that good stuff, okay. The most I can anticipate right now is like 50% pullback of the entire cycle, okay, the previous cycle, which is just about like a 42, okay. Can we drop down to 42? Yes, but I don't think like it is going to be within this correction, okay. It could be sideways correction over the next few days, and then we're gonna basically retrace down to it and then get bought up very quickly. But as of now, we're just gonna stay with the daily 21 and not try to speculate too much about the 42 area right here. So we're just gonna stay with the daily 21 and big volume. Big volume, it is always good to see big sell volume. It means like if we are in a bull market, right, we're gonna need a bigger volume to break above the sell volume right here. So it is a good sign, okay. Big sell volume right here. If you notice well right there, when I was very bullish on Bitcoin on this drop right here, we had a big volume initial drop. Right now we're getting another big volume. It means like we just have to correct, okay. We could just create another three-way move down, right, wedge pattern once again, right, just another wedge pattern potentially. If not, it could give us another flat right here, okay. We just don't know so far, but we're just gonna wait over the next like a few days to confirm the type of correction we could get over the next like a few days, okay. But the good news, once again, alt going to be breaking out over the next few days. As you can see, BTC, a 10% drop on BTC is always good for alt, okay. We got a nice 15% drop, alt most likely going to be pumping, okay. You can see like last time Bitcoin dropped 30%. We seen like a big wave on alt, okay. Most of these alt like ADA, okay, XLM, all right, BNB, and you name it, dot, link, all of them pumped, okay. All of them nearly doubled, okay, after Bitcoin dropped 30%. So we just dropped 50%. We could see another big wave from most of these alt, okay, especially the top alt, right, like XTZ, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and all of that good stuff. Hello, what's up, J Mart in the house? Thanks a lot for tuning in. It's been a while, J Mart. Ruwan in the house, all that good stuff. Farouk in the house. Andrian in the house. Sweet Canary. K4 Liberty in the house. What's up, Sam? The beast of the charts. Small bloodbath. We've seen this bloodbath, man. I love this bloodbath, okay. It just tells you like how the market think. Like most bulls gonna be quickly calling for it's time to sell out and all of that good stuff. You see like many bears, okay. Some people are still bearish like since like a 12k, guys. I told you guys right here, I was one of the biggest bear. I was calling for BTC dropping down to 6k and all of that good stuff. But after we broke above like 11.5, you guys haven't seen me calling for any crazy prices like to the downside. I'm just staying bullish, till my basically setup confirm like a bearishness, and I'm gonna call for those doom analysis, right. I'm not shy to be bearish, okay, but I don't want to be bearish because market dropped 10%, okay. One thing we just have to keep in mind, most of you guys already know our setups, okay. If you've been following some crypto, what we said was like, as long as price action is above the 2-day 21 EMA, MACD staying positive, we in a bull market. That's easy. That's all we have to remember. Nothing else. Two things, okay. I'm gonna repeat it. As long as price action is above the 2-day 21 EMA, MACD staying positive, right there, MACD above the signal line, right, meaning like your histogram has to stay positive, we in a bull market, okay. So but you gotta remember also, MACD can cross bearish, right, and we're gonna be partially bullish. It means like we're gonna be up to basically 65 to 75% bullish, but not like, you know, 90% bullish. Right now I'm 90% bullish, okay, 90 to 95% bullish on the market. But if we break below the like, let's say MACD crosses bearish, you know, we're gonna be, you know, 30% bearish, 30 to 25% bearish. Why? Because price action can still stay above the 21 EMA. You see what I'm saying? Same thing, right? That's the same setup we got right here, and we were bullish. That's the same setup we got right here, and we were bullish. What happened next? Take a look at it, guys. Right, okay, we got 150% move by being bullish, staying with our trend. Right here, we got another 90% move by staying with the trend. Okay, we likely to get another 50 to 60% pump right after this correction. Okay, and let's say we retest the 21 EMA on the 2-day basis, right? Sucker could basically give us our 75k target, guys. Bang. Okay, bang. But we have to stay above the 21, okay, in order to basically confirm it, right? Doom boy, no Doom boy in here, man. I don't know who you calling Doom boy. Doom boy. Not Send Crypto. I'm not a Doom boy, buddy. Hey, what's up, Zachariah in the house? T-Dog in the house, Mr. SXP, and One Chain. T-Dog gonna be panicking too. I mean, right now the best thing to do is like to stay with the BTC pair. Okay, when a market is going up, stay with the BTC pair. Okay, stay with the BTC pair. That's the safest thing. Okay, that's the safest thing. That way you cover your BTC holding, and you're not gonna worry about like USD pair. Because most people, like, if you're trading for, you know, like, you need the money right now, yes, you might be paying attention to the USD, but like, let's say you're just trading to accumulate, you don't need the money right now, you need the money like within the next 6 months to 1 year, you really don't care about the BTC, I mean the USD pair, because you know BTC gonna take care of business. We're in a bull market. Even if BTC drops and you double your BTC, you're still breaking even. You see what I'm saying? Let's say you're holding one BTC right now, but BTC dropped down to like 25k, right? Let's say, okay, I'm not saying it will, it is likely not, but let's say BTC drops down to 25k. But when we drop down to 25k, you already got 2 BTC. Let's say you've been trading with the BTC pairs, right? You got 2 BTC, so you still break even. Okay, you still holding $50,000 worth of BTC. Do you see what I'm saying? So playing with the BTC pairs are better, way beneficial, okay, if alt are bullish, okay, then I'll trying to play with the USD pair. Because if you play with the USD pair, right, let's say you're holding $50,000 right now, BTC can go up to 200k, and you're going to be holding like 100k, half a BTC. Do you see what I'm saying? You're still up in your dollar value, but you're not up in your BTC value, because right now you lost 50% of your BTCs, right? Even though, you know, you're up on your dollar pair, on your dollar value. Do you see what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying, like, stay with the BTCs, BTC pairs, and then you're gonna be totally fine. That's why I give 90% of my targets, medium to long term target, I give it versus BTC, right? And most of them getting hit like 2x, 3x, and all of that good stuff, right? I mean, in dollar value also, right? So it, like, let's say I give you a target of 100% move versus BTC, right? For instance, let me give you a good example right here. Let's say ARK, right? We're bullish on ARK. Take a look at ARK right now. I don't know the price of ARK in dollar value, right? But in our premium, we enter ARK right here, just about like a 1700, right? Take a look at it. ARK is 70% up versus BTC, and it hit our target like 100% up, like 3200, right? So we double our BTC in one trade, right? Even though BTC is down like 10%, 15%, it's not going to affect our, our dollar value. It's not going to affect our BTC value. All right, ARK, we took this setup like last Sunday, I think, right here. Okay, just about 1600. We say buy the dip right here. Sucker going to be pumping. Okay, we likely to hit like 8,000 over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? ARK is still very bullish. Okay, so private account says a great tip. Yes, I mean, most people who've been in the crypto space long enough know this type of stuff. It is just like new moon boys, right? The new waves, they just jump in and out, in and out. Band zero face down. Band zero face down says. He says, you know, I'm patiently waiting for Litecoin to pump hard. Prime time, first time, second time. We got prime time, now we got first time, second time, now we got prime time in the house. We're gonna take a look at those, guys. We're gonna take a look at those. Make sure to hit the likes, guys. We got 78 watching. We should get like, oh guys, 500 people watching right now. If you just guys hit the likes, right, I'm gonna give you guys one of the best analysis. I'm telling you guys, we are extremely bullish. Okay, we are extremely bullish, right? Don't, like, guys, I'm telling you guys, market is very, very, very bullish. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're still in a bull market, right? So my setup is playing out beautifully, right? We're still above the 2-day 21. Okay, MACD is still positive. I don't see the need to be panicking right now. Okay, no need to be panicking. Okay, so let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, if you remember, guys, our previous setup, right, was what, 1618 to 1725 was accumulation range, right? And we, after that, we're looking for what, 2211. We did not quite hit 2211, right? But it is okay. As you can see, price dipped down to like a 1506. I was watching it last night. I was like, oh sucker. But I was watching it last night. I was like, sucker might be dropping down to the 1500 range, which is like 8 hour, you know, 8 hour 100 EMA. But I was like, okay, let's just suck it up. It is likely to bounce back up. Okay, so it just bounced right back up from our previous accumulation target, not accumulation but target. Okay, was like 1618 to 1725. It is likely to bounce right back up. Okay, it is likely to bounce right back up. So right here, did not quite, once again, we did not quite hit the 2211, but it is okay. Okay, we could potentially look for a parallel channel right now, right, instead of a wedge pattern, because remember, these wedge patterns, right, they end up giving you a parallel channel. Let's say you got, you know, a wedge pattern like this. Okay, right, so all of a sudden you're going to get this move, and then it's going to create a potential parallel channel like that. Okay, and then you're going to be like, now I'm going to change my setup, and we're going to be looking for this parallel channel, something like that. Okay, but you initially started with a wedge pattern, right, but now you got a parallel channel, right? You see what I'm saying? So, and these wedge pattern, they got like wicks. That's why, you know, you just include your wicks right here. You might get a wicks right here, and then you get this final drop that gives you your parallel channel, just like Ethereum right here. Okay, so, and it doesn't have to be parallel, like beautiful parallel a beautiful parallel channel, right? It just have to be imaginary parallel channel. So it is still very, very bullish. We just have to wait for the next few days to get our indicators to cool off, giving us a bullish divergence and all of that good stuff. So we could definitely retest the 1600 to 1500 range just to get the double bottom right here. So right here, so if like we can get a double bottom right here and break above 1800 range, we could definitely go to the moon after that, right? So it just give it time to correct over the next few days, right? Could take like a 48 to 72 hours to correct, right? So so let's go ahead and take a look at XTZ now. So XTZ BTC, that's what we need to pay attention to. I don't think like XTZ, if we bullish, I talked about it in my premium, right? When XTZ was right here, I was like, okay, we can still get this move, but we're not supposed to be panicking once we get that move. Okay, this move right here, we talked about it in our premium. We said it can give us this flat, but most people are going to be panicking and they're going to be saying, oh, we dumping and blah blah blah. It is still a correction. I said it. If you take a look at a not BND but band BTC is giving us the same correction also. So you take a look at band. I'm very bullish on band, right? It is giving us a similar correction, and we talk about band, we're going to get a minor resistance right here, okay, just about 43,000. And band, take a look at it, we got another target up to, guys, where nearly 70,000, okay, 70,000. We got 55,000, 70,000. So XDZ, it is very, very bullish. If you go back to BNB before the breakout, $40, $50, that's the same thing I was telling you, just suck it up, okay. I was like, I'm just gonna suck it up, and no need to do anything crazy, just suck it up, and don't worry about the sideways correction and all of that. Right here, starting like first week of January, BNB was like $40. We dropped down to like 35. I was like, that's a buy. We retested. I knew exactly sucker gonna be trying to retest the low right here. And just like also, I'm gonna show you Tron is doing the same thing right now, okay. Double top, double bottom. Once we get the breakout, guys, a small consolidation above the previous accumulation range, things can move very, very fast afterward, okay. So TRX USD is doing the same thing. I think it retested like 4.8 cents, right? Same thing right here, okay, same thing right here. So double top, double bottom right here, we could basically find a way to basically break above this resistance, small accumulation right here, and then sucker could go to the moon after that, right? But we're just gonna wait for confirmation with our MACD and all of that good stuff, just in case, right? The pattern we anticipating won't play out. You see what I'm saying? But it is a beautiful, beautiful pattern. If it plays out, we're going to the moon, okay. No question asked. Just buckle up, sit tight, relax, and ask for water, because sucker gonna be flying to the moon, right? Jackson in the house. What's up, Sam? What's up? What about Pundi X? I don't know anything about Pundi X. We're gonna take a look at it, right? Double A in the house. Double A look like Satoshi right there. So guys, hit the likes. We got 43 likes. Make sure to share the content to your in your other public Telegram group, so you can get your other Moon Boys and Doom Boys to join our live stream, guys. So VetCRO ran. John E. Banks in a house calling for Bitcoin Cash. Hassan in a house. Excellent, please. One Chan. Imran calling for one. I mean, what's wrong with my? I'm not predicting anything. I'm just analyzing. I'm holding Litecoin. So don't go ahead and buy any of these analysis, right? Any of these coins based on my analysis. Okay, if I'm making a Litecoin analysis, it's because I'm bullish on Litecoin, not because I want you to go ahead and buy it and expect it to move. Those are macro analysis. They might not play out anytime soon. It could take like a month for Litecoin to hit like $3,000. You see what I'm saying? So don't go ahead and buy Litecoin, leverage it 100x and get wrecked and come back and say Sen said Litecoin was gonna hit 3,000 and I did 100x and I got wrecked. Be cautious, okay? It is a spot buy. If you can hold it, if you can digest 15 to 30% pullback, you're likely not going to see Litecoin at $2,000, okay? Sucker can dump all the way down to 150 also, right? So just keep that in mind, right? So best thing to do, accumulate it and look for the upside target and don't worry about the downside target, because it's going to take care of itself by going up. But don't buy any of these coins I'm analyzing and go ahead and do 100x once again, guys, and get wrecked and come back and tell me I got wrecked because I was doing 100x, right? So Litecoin is gonna 10x itself. That's just a matter of time, okay? right? Just like we talk about BNB. I'm giving you guys good example. Like we basically 10x so many coins in our premium, right? Like, you know, dot, I don't have to say it called dot. Okay, dot, we've been accumulating for $5. It already hit $40. All right, so you know, SXP, okay, it is not yet 10x, right? It hasn't 10x yet, but it will. Okay, it will. If you take a look at ADA, last time we entered ADA was like, you know, 35 cents, and we already hit $1.20. Okay, we just say hold it up, hold on to your ADA. It is likely to go much higher, right? So, and many other examples. Okay, FTM, okay, we still saying don't do anything with it, just hold it. IOST, you know, we've been accumulating that sucker like from like 40 sats, right, guys? You know, IOTX is about to pump. Kusama right here, it just hit our target, bang. Okay, we've been bullish on it right here, just about like $100. We playing it the same way we played EGLD, right? When EGLD was like, no, not EGLD, but AVE. Okay, we you know, called for this move, right? 190, and we said just suck it up. It's gonna pump up to like a 273 to 290. Okay, guys, 200% move, right, in less than 3 weeks with Kusama, guys. Okay, right, Kusama. And remember, guys, Kusama, we were bullish on it right here also, right there, just about like $50. Okay, $48 to $50. That's when we started to be very bullish on this sucker, all the way up to $200, right? So just suck it up. NEO, we very bullish on NEO. Sucker gonna basically break out. We told you buy NEO when NEO was like $20. Don't leverage it, hold it. You already double your money in less than, guys, 30 days, and you still can buy other stuffs. Okay, market is around. Okay, market is not going anywhere. Okay, anywhere. Okay, what I mean like market is not going anywhere, you always gonna get a new trade. Okay, you always gonna get a new trade. You hold on to your NEO from $22 to $50, you up over 100%. You can still buy XTZ, you can buy Link, because all of them still around. Okay, so hola saying GRT will 100x. Who says that? Private account says GRT will 100x. Let's see. It can definitely 100x. So let me go ahead and take a look at your request now. No Doom boys, only Moon boys. So let's go ahead and take a look at your on all yeah, requests, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. The reason why Litecoin is not breaking out, because it is not actually that bullish yet versus BTC. We got this breakout, it could not follow through, and it is pumping back down, dumping back down actually, right? So we just have to give it time, right? Just have to give it time. It is not showing us a reversal pattern yet. Okay, it's not showing us. So we did get this move nicely, and it took us like to 250, but we need to break above like a, you know, 55, just 500,000. Okay, 500,000 to a just about 500,000 sats right here. If we can break above it, we could be seeing a nice move to the upside. Once we break out, once we get the breakout, everything will move smoothly. Okay, we just have to break out of this you know, wedge pattern right here, this parallel channel, right? So let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at VET next. Yeah, VET, it is still bullish, right? Just retesting the trend line right here, 95 sats. So you know, it's not doing bad at all. It is still very bullish. Okay, it follows BTC because the BTC pair is not bearish. So the USD pair, if BTC pumps, it does pump, right? So let's move on to CRO. So CRO did break out right here. We were anticipating either a wedge pattern or a breakout. What we said was, right, we got a resistance right here, just about like 420. As you can see, it hit resistance right there. And last time I gave you CRO, I was like, it is bullish. You just don't know when you're gonna get the breakout, but best thing to do is just suck it up and hold on. Okay, so as you can see, hit basically resistance, both resistances, right? Just about 320 and 420. Now you're gonna be looking for your 100 EMA, your 100 EMA on your 2-day basis, which is like nearly 550 to 530 range. Okay, we already hit 500 actually, right? I'm not holding any CRO, so I don't follow the price, but I just give you an analysis, and I give you a great analysis regarding this circuit. Okay, I was like, just suck it up. Okay, it's gonna break out, you just don't know when. Now you take a look at it, you up, if you basically hold it, you up like nearly, you know, 150%, right, on average. All right, so let's move on to RAN. So RAN BTC, it is not yet at resistance right here, broke out right there, right? So we are anticipating this move. So resistance right there, almost hit it, right? It just depends how you want to draw it. So would give it time to consolidate, right? It already hit resistance. But once again, the trend, it is still up. It can break out above it and hit basically 4,700, which is like August high right there. So, but would give it time to consolidate, because sucker can still drop right back down to like a 1,500 sats, right? And if it does, it is going to be a good buy, right? But the trend, it is still up. Okay, no time to be looking down. Let's go ahead and take a look at a BCH BTC. Bitcoin Cash, once again, it is still struggling to break out. I don't know why. Similar to Litecoin, the pattern is bullish, but you know, the pattern is bullish right here, the double bottom, but it failed to keep up the momentum. So what we need to do is just wait for another bullish pattern. Okay, so if BTC can pull back up, right, and Bitcoin Cash doesn't break the low right here, Bitcoin Cash USD is likely to follow BTC. However, if you know we break this low right here, it might be very critical for Bitcoin Cash, right? It might be very critical. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at XLM. XLM BTC back down. I think we talked about XLM last time we talked about XLM. We said look out for this move back down here. Okay, it can retest the low right here, gonna give us the double top, double bottom. If it holds, right, we could be looking for a reversal. Now the confirmation we're gonna wait for is like another bullish reversal right here. Okay, on a 2-day basis, right? Volume is pretty low, no sell volume right here at all. Okay, so things are looking pretty good for the bulls, right? If we get the MACD to flip bullish on a 2-day basis, that's going to be moon time. Okay, that's going to be moon time. So we just need to watch our 6-hour to 8-hour time frame for confirmation. No confirmation yet. Okay, based on the 6-hour to 8-hour time frame. So we just have to suck it up and wait, right? But the USD volume, XLM USD right here, I was looking for this move. That's what I'm saying, guys. When you leverage this circuit, be cautious, because I'm looking for this move, right? But if you hold like strongly right there, you can see like sucker, it is just correcting. Okay, you could look at it in 2 ways. I was thinking like this move was just like the sideways correction we needed to continue the uptrend, but it can also give you this you know, ABC correction, double bottom right here, and we're going to be pumping to the upside. So XLM, it is still very bullish. It is just correcting. Okay, similarly we got similar structure right here. Okay, we nailed this one, and then we basically took it to the upside also, right? So sometimes it is not easy to trade the correction, especially when you're anticipating a reversal, but the correction decided to correct much longer. It might basically give you a downtime, or it might basically you know, wreck you if you're leveraging with high leverage. Okay, that's why, you know, be cautious leveraging corrections, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at one chain. So one BTC, it is still bullish. So as you can see, one can retest the support level right here, which is like 1500 sats. just like I showed you with a you know, with XLM. And also I just showed you the same structure on what on you know, Tezos, right? And on band, BAND, right? Band is very, very bullish also. So one, it is still very bullish. It could be breaking out very, very soon if like we can find support right here, 1500 sats, right? We're going to be looking for 26, right? And much higher. So I like the pattern right here. That's the pattern we got right there. Okay, I called it when sucker was like 1000 sats. We got the double top, double bottom right here. We're looking for a double bottom, bang. Okay, it doesn't have to retest it. Okay, once again, it doesn't have to retest 1500. Sucker can just create a higher low and bang. Okay, this move doesn't have to retest, break the low. It does not have to break the low. Okay, it can just be, it can just find support right here and pump to the upside, or find support at 1400 and basically go to the moon, right? So it is very, very bullish, a good hold. Okay, one chain, Tron, Band, Tezos, all of them creating the same pattern. Most likely some you know, a couple of them going to be breaking out over the next few days, right? So we got 88 watching, 54 likes, guys. All right, let's get it to 500 watching. Okay, hit the likes, and other moon boys will be joining very soon. Yeah. Yeah, let's go back to Tezos. I don't think I basically give a full analysis for Tezos as I switch to so Tezos. Once again, wedge pattern right here. So just need to be patient with it. Okay, it is still correcting. It is still built above our 6400 right here. Back in January when we said buy Tezos 60, you know, 6400, right? Right there, yeah, wedge pattern. So we're likely to go all the way up to 20 to like 2020 20,000 range. Okay, likely to go all the way up to 20,000. So 20,000 from current price, you're looking at, you know, nearly 200% move. So 3x move. So that's one of the reasons I'm calling for Tezos nearly $15. Okay, I've been calling for Tezos $15 when Tezos was like $2, guys. $2. Right now we're still above you know, we're still above like a $4. So hey, what's up, USCG vet in the house? It's been a while, man. Hex, I thought Hex was a scam. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Joshua? Thanks a lot for tuning in. I'm trying to read through your, trying to read your, trying to read the chat room. Hex is going to be the next Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. All right. USCG. I'm gonna take a look at Hex. Matic. Matic Polygon. ADA is still going to the moon, man, for some reason, right? And we're calling for 2,000, so ADA, so we definitely can get our 2,000 sats, not $2,000, guys, 2,000 sats. ARC still 10% up also, right? RLC, AVAX, Decreed, I mean, if Bitcoin Cash BTC is looking bad, it's Bitcoin Cash USD cannot. Bitcoin Cash USD looking good only means like BTC is looking good. So that's how you're supposed to look at it. Okay, if an alt is bearish versus BTC, right? But it is bullish versus the dollar, it only means BTC is bullish. So that's the best way to translate it. So all right. Let's go ahead and take a look at market. Yeah, so market is it is on a new uptrend. We had a trade for Matic USD. It broke above our target, right, and kept on breaking out. Versus USD, it is still bullish. Just have to give it time to correct again, right, as we just got a big move to the downside. So support line right here, if we break it, it might create this pattern right here. Okay, it might retest somewhere around here, which is 6 hour 100 EMA, if it breaks the 21 EMA. So CRV BTC, it is at support area, so which is 50% to 0.618. So just have to give it time to create a bullish reversal pattern. MACD is starting to be bullish again, right? Not quite bullish, but not strongly bullish, right? But we are starting to create a potential bullish divergence. So it is still a good hold, right? One thing I was looking for is like, I was looking for this move to be a short correction, like a short-term correction, but we ended up getting a bigger correction with a big wave to the downside, right? So it is still correcting, very accumulative. Okay, we could be in this range before going much higher, right? So just correcting. RLC, I'm still bullish on RLC, BTC. So RLC similarly, okay, respecting this trend line. breaking below it, but you gotta look at the anti-correction once again. That's what you need to look for. That's the anti-correction, double top, double bottom. If we could create a sideways correction right here to get our MACD to flip bullish, and then it is going to be a moonshot. Okay, moonshot going to the moon. AVX, I gotta set up for AVX. It is likely to go over, it is likely to break out, but we breaking the support level right here. That's not good at all, right? That's not good, but it is still within the wedge pattern. I was anticipating the 8 hour, 6 hour, 100 EMA to be a good support, but it seems like we're breaking it, but not strongly. Okay, not strongly. So it is still within the wedge pattern. Right here, take a look at it right now. If you want to take a look at the anti-move, we at 382 pullback. Okay, so either we could say also, you know, a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This wave could be just an ABC correction. Okay, or it could be a leading diagonal also, and we're gonna correct. We're gonna keep correcting all the way down, but I don't know. Let's see if we're gonna be fine. If like support right here going to hold before we talk about any further move to the downside. But I'm bullish on it, right? Because I like the wedge pattern. Decrease DCR. So DCR, I remember exactly what we said when it was moving. We said any dip within this range right here going to be a buy, but it never dipped, so it is still moving to the upside, right? So we said it can either dip down before continuing the pattern, or it can just keep going up. So, and it is, you know, it is pushing higher, so it is still a good hold right for now. If it dips within this channel, it is going to be a strong buy again. OXT, I think it is still around like 1000 sats. OXT is still looking very good. We said to buy this, buy the cycle, just about like 750 to 800. It is still a good buy. It is still a good hold. It is likely to break, you know, 2000 over the next like a few weeks. So once we break above 2000, it could be a moonshot. Okay, all the way up to some crazy prices. Pundi X, I don't know. Pundi X doesn't have a BTC. Pundi, let's say, how's a Pundi BTC? Yeah, Pundi broke out. That's not even like 1 sats, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6 sats. Oh, sucker broke out nicely, man. That's 600% move, man. From 1 sats right there, February 16. Better take your profits, man. I'm just joking. But yeah, Pundi just broke out now 6 sats. That's not bad at all. Once we start trading above like a 20 sats right there, is that 2 sats or 20 sats? Let's see. 20, right? Once we start trading above 20 sats, it's gonna get a lot of volume, and we're not gonna see these low volatility wicks where you just, you know, people have been accumulating like selling, you know, selling at 2 sats, buying at 1 sat, 2 sats, 1 sats. Okay, it takes forever, but you know, you're gonna double your money every time, right? So, but now we got the good stuff. Looks pretty good. Okay, it's just like low volume. That's the thing with it. Yeah, BSD, it is still holding strong. It's nothing crazy. Okay, it's just remove this. Got too many colors right there. Yeah, BLZ, it is still correcting. Yeah, still a correction. Yeah, nothing crazy. You're gonna get this move. Yeah, thanks a lot, Imran. Matic, we talked about Matic, Ether Classic, Ether is okay. It's nothing crazy. low volume, dipping down to the 3-day 21. So just correcting, okay, just correcting right here. So it is still gonna go higher. Got low sell volume right there, you know. It is not creating a trend reversal yet, but it is on the process. Bitcoin is back to 55, buddy. Like I told you guys, we are bullish, man. Sucker is very bullish. Try to short this sucker, man, gonna get wrecked. Telling you guys, I'm telling you, man. I've been telling you, man. I've been telling you. I think like we missed those 1K BTC and all of that good stuff, right? And right now it is just to suck it up, hold on to it, buy the dip, take it to the moon. That's it, nothing else. I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. We should see a big reversal hopefully before midweek. Okay, everything should cool off and we're gonna be see a big reversal. Take a look at this sucker, man. CHSB Swissborg KuCoin. I just don't like this overextended trade, but yeah, it just broke out. You got but no divergence on 6 hour. You got a divergence on the 4 hour, so double divergence also right there. Okay, you broke your wedge pattern, retested, so I would just hold it. It is still bullish. Okay, it is still bullish. API 3. Big correction phase, so you just have to be cautious right here. So it could be a top formation, or it could be a potential continuation pattern. So we don't know which one it is going to be, right? We don't know which one we're going to get, so we just have to wait. Okay, we don't want to break this support line. Okay, if we break it, it might be going much lower. All right, we just have to wait. We'll just wait to see if you're going to break the support line. Because in terms of Elliott wave, you could easily, for a Elliott wave analyst, right, you could say you already got your 5-way structure right here, right, and could be calling for. If I would have traded in based on Elliott wave, I would be saying like we got our 5-way structure and we got this ABC correction right to the downside. But I'm not sure if the C wave is done yet, because I'm not seeing any bullish divergence yet right here on at least on the 6 hour to 8 hour to confirm the reversal. So we could see a longer C wave. That's why you just have to be cautious where you're gonna get a, you know, a stronger move with a divergence ending diagonal like that, and your MACD gonna move flat, and you're gonna be calling for a reversal, right? So just give it time. Okay, it is still correcting. It is still correcting, but I don't see a sharp. I mean, you could get a sharp reversal with no sign of reversal, right? Meaning like all your indicators pointing down and sucker just pump to the upside. But you know, with a slow reversal trend, I don't see one. But it is a support. Just suck it up and wait for confirmation then. Yeah. Gas BTC. Yeah, gas BTC hit our target up to basically a 25 and 30,000. Did not quite hit our 40,000 target. Did not quite hit our 40,000 target. We hit a 33 nearly. Okay, nearly hit a 30,000, right? So we said add more gas right here because we finna pump and we need some gas. Bang. Okay, So that's what you get with Send Crypto, guys. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Just like Komodo. Somebody just asked about Komodo. Komodo is also a good hold for us, right? We said add more Komodo, Sakafina, basically get the job done. It is just a matter of time, right? But within the next few days, it is likely to break up. But end space something like that also. End space something just in case we retest like a 1800 sats, stuff like that. Okay, it is still going to be bullish. You already got your daily MACD right here, so Saka is very, very bullish, but could just get a small delay. That's it. Let's go back to BTC, guys. Yeah, on a 2-day basis, as we said, no divergence whatsoever, right? Right here, beautiful high and high, so no divergence, right? So pretty bullish, man, pretty bullish. So we only down now like what, 1%, 2%, right? Let's see, from candle open right now we only down 5% now. Okay, less than 5%, but most people are panicking right now, right? So not time to be panicking. On a 2-day basis, we just, if you want to look at it in terms of resistance, right here, right, we just wick down to the previous accumulation range, which was like 40, 47, 48 range. That's it. So if we break above 57, 58, it is likely to go much higher, very aggressively, right? But let's see what we're gonna get. Yeah, we gotta see something like this. Okay, we gotta break below the 21 EMA right there. It is likely to consolidate above it, right? But it always consolidates at or around the 21 EMA on a 2-day basis before going any lower. So I don't see like a 50% drop in like a single day and all of that good stuff, right? Even if we drop further right here, we're gonna anticipate, right, a potential double top, double bottom right there, just about a 46 to 47. And we're going to recognize it. If that's the case, we're going to basically call for the lower prices, right? But as of now, I'm not calling for any lower prices. Guys, make sure to hit the likes. If you just joined Send Crypto, public Telegram group, public group, right? Make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, join my public Telegram group, right? And if you're looking to join my premium, definitely let's take a look at Hex. I never checked the chart of Hex for some reason. Is it Hex BTC? I don't even know the ticker symbol, right? But let's see. To be honest, I don't even know what the chart look like. I don't know. I like it. I like the chart. I like the double bottom right here. Okay, I like the constant lower lows. You would be saying that's bearish, but it is not. Okay, I like it. I just need to flip bullish right here on my 2-day basis, and then bang, we could be going to the moon, right? Right. So I like it. I like the chart. I don't know anything about the project. I'm not basically trying to judge the project, right? But right here, yeah, you're gonna get a breakout very, very, very soon, guys. So if like we can flip bullish on a 2-day basis, I will go with the bullishness, right? However, if we break down right here, I would just let it go. Just let it go. I would just let it go and wait for a confirmation of reversal from you know, somewhere around here. So yeah, I don't know anything about rune. I mean, I gave you a Wi-Fi USD analysis the other day. Nothing has changed, man. It is still bullish. Okay, it just retested the support level right here, hit 23 actually, right? So it is still a good buy, and you know, next upside target 4,000. Riff. Yeah, still broke your channel, hit the 0.618. Yeah, still consolidating. Still consolidating. All right, let's go back to BTC. A and KR. Yeah, the reason why A and KR is going crazy is like it did not correct at all in this range of the 21 EMA, but find a nice support above the 100 EMA. That's why it is going crazy. And as I said back in July, August, when these suckers you know, moves when these suckers move above the 100 EMA on a 3-day basis, they tend to pump very, very hard, right? So Atom, it is still Atom, it is still a good hold, right? We said to hold on to our Atom like $4, $5, right? And we're still looking for $30. So guys, that's, you know, if you bought Atom right here, you're looking for like 6x move, right? Say 500% move. So I sent you guys Atom, and Atom was like $4 or $5 in our public group, right? So it is still very, very bullish. No sign of reversal, right? Right there. So we're definitely going to be breaking, bulls definitely going to be breaking $30 over the next few days, okay? And we could be 1.618 extension is almost $100, right? But I'm not calling for $100 yet. We want to see how we're gonna look above like $30 to $40, and after that we can definitely look for, you know, over $50 and so on, right? So Atom still bullish. So Atom is also another potential 10x from our group, right? If you bought anywhere around like $4, $5, you're looking for $40 to $50, right? So BZRX is also another potential 10x move. If you basically been buying BZRX when we, you know, talk about it back then, 17 cents, right? 15 cents, 18 cents, 20 cents. You know, we're still looking for 150 to 160, right? Still pretty bullish. Hitting all our targets. So now it is just consolidating, right? 66 was next target, right? It hit 66. Now it is just consolidating, right? So once we break 66 to 69, bang, okay, it is gonna get a free ride to the moon. Storage. Like storage BTC. Yeah, storage BTC, it is still a hold, so still got more move to go. Bottom formation right here. So we did talk about it. It can retest the support line, support area right here. So it is still correcting. Okay. SXP BTC. It's still consolidating. It still got more move to the upside. We talked about SXP multiple times. It is still consolidating. Next level to look for almost 10,000 sats, right? So yeah, SXP it is still looking very juicy. Just need to break this 6500 resistance. Raven, if you buy Raven right now, you must not know what's going on. Raven, we said accumulate Raven in our premium right here. Okay, yes, we did buy some Raven right here, August, right? After it dumped down, we said it's okay. This range, it is a good level to be accumulating. So right now, you even though you were down on your BTC value, right, you were still up on your dollar value. Right now, you up a lot because BTC is already up, right? So you take a look at it, even if you accumulated Raven back in like 200 sats, right, you're still up now 150%, right? And BTC since like August, BTC is like what, 5x nearly, right? So 5 times 1.5, that's like almost 10x your money, like just by holding on to your Ravens, right? That's what I'm saying. You got to trade the BTC pairs. It is very, very important, right? So, but if you panic when Raven was dropping versus BTC, you're not going to see a 7x move, right? 10x move, and Raven can still break out to the upside, right? It is still very, very bullish. We could be going all the way up to basically 800 sats. I will need to update it, right? But already hit our target right here, right? Way above it, right? So, but we're going to be looking for almost 1,000 sats for Raven. It is still a good hold, right? CHZ. Chilies. Chilies, BTC. Yeah, Chilies. Yeah, I got a target up to 300. So let's see. Accumulation is still like 100 to 150. It is below. It is kind of like a Raven. When it was like right here, we said accumulated right there because we got this triangular formation, accumulation range. It is likely to break out, but it did drop all the way down to like almost 50-40 sats, right? So you reaccumulate right here, and then you just take it to the moon, right? Your dollar value, it is still going to be the same, right? Not going to be the same. You're going to be up on your dollar value, right? If you bought anywhere around like 100 sats back in like September, August, right? You're still up like 3, 4, 5x, right? Because BTC is up what? Let's take a look at BTC since like September. I think like BTC is up like 5x, something like that, 5, 7x. Right here, since like September, BTC is up 5x, right? Price was like 10.5, right? 10.5. And even if you bought like back in like mid-August, BTC was like 10k. So you're still up like over 5x on your, actually 6x in your dollar value, right? So, and if a sucker double versus BTC, you're gonna be 10x in your, you're gonna 10x your money. Always trade the BTC pairs. SNX. Yeah, SNX is a support. It is just consolidating, so not sure if it is going to be reversing or it's going to be continuing the uptrend. Everything is bearish right now. 3-day MACD below MACD bearish, price action below 21, that's bearish, so have to be cautious with SNX right now, especially versus SNX BTC till we get a reversal pattern, right? So a vibe is at support line, at support trend line, so give it time to see if we're gonna get a reversal. Okay, got 1 2 3 1 2 3, so let's see if we're gonna get the reversal. I think they're getting delisted from Binance, right? I don't know if it is a VIB or VIBE or VIB, which one. It is a support line, so no volume at all. So $5.89 XRP. Let's go back to BTC. Let's check ADA. Nice wick to the downside, right? Did not retest the 72, so our target was like 104 to 105 and circle was like 90 cents. Did give us a nice pump, like almost 25% pump, retest the support right here. So it is just consolidating. Okay, BNB, as we said last time, right, when it was dropping, we said look for support right at right here, just about like 250 to low $200. It is still holding support level. Okay, so I don't see a bearishness yet, so we just have to wait and see if we're going to get a double correction. So next level to look for, once again, it is going to be 339 to 343, let's say 300 to 350. Okay, support next resistance. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like. So Ocean, it is still correcting. Okay, it is still correcting. I'm not sure, I think we just talked about Ocean. Oh yes, that's blue, so we must talk about it yesterday. Ocean USD. So you got this double top, double bottom, so similar to what you got right here. Okay, so just have to wait for the sideways correction now, the boring phase right here. You don't know what type of correction you're gonna get, so you just wait. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Getting beat up. So guys, if you're looking to join Sun Premium, right, for like price target, daily analysis, weekly analysis, macro view, all of that good stuff, right? Join the premium group so you can get the these you know, real-time calls, and you won't be panicking, right, when market is going up, because most people lose more money like when market is what when market drop 2%, right? Most people will lose more money than when market goes up 50%. So you know, because most people are going to be panicking like with a 5% drop. They also panic when market goes 50% up. So you know, you want to take advantage of those moves. Join the premium group. You're not going to be panic selling and all of that good stuff, right? All of that nonsense neither, right? You're going to stay calm. You're going to stay with the trend. You know, if market dumps 30%, you buy the dip. You don't be selling at 30%, right? If market pumps 100%, 150%, you're not going to FOMO. You'll be taking profits and waiting for the pullback. Those type of good stuff, right? So you're going to be very patient. You're going to trade the BTC pairs. You be patient, you're going to 10x your money, right? That's just what it is if market is keep going up, okay? So you can go back, check my track record, all the alt I gave you guys over the last 2 months, okay? Go ahead and check them: IOST, BNB, CRV, SXP, BZRX, TRB, you name it, guys. Carver, all right? Kusama, you name it, all right? So Qdom, told you late December, Qdom was like 180 million market cap. I was like, Qdom gonna break above 500 million, even go above like 1 billion. So it is time to basically store some Qdom in a ledger. Okay, Tron, 2.5 cents. You know, it is already 5.5 cents, right? It is likely to go over like a 20 cents very, very soon, guys. Very, very soon. So very XLM, guys, we nailed it from 12 cents. Okay, all right, so hold on to your XLM. ADA, you know, from like 600 sats, 800 sats, you know, was like 35 cents, 40 cents. We've been saying hold on to it. Okay, so Wi-Fi 1, you know, from 24,000 to 55,000. You know, Wi-Fi 2, we've been bullish on it, guys. Also Zilliqa, you name it. Okay, I don't have to tell you about Zilliqa. VeChain, I don't have to tell you about VeChain. You know, so Neo, you know, last couple of weeks, right? Neo pumped from $25 to $50. That's just 100%. You just, all you had to do, just suck it up. Okay, Litecoin, we're waiting for like $600 Litecoin, guys. So it is still very, very accumulative. It is a buy, it is not a sell. Okay, I got short-term targets, right? If you are swing trading it, like short-term swing trades, you buy you know, the dip. Even Litecoin was right here. I said Litecoin is still going to be a buy. Anything below like you know, $200 all the way down to 165, it is still going to be a buy. So Litecoin is still a buy, guys. So a couple of weeks ago, Litecoin right here, I gave you an analysis and we said we're going to pump to like a 250. We did that exactly. So it is just a correction, right? So take a look at it right here. Short-term trade, that's like 65% move. Short-term trade, right? Beautiful. Okay, Kusama, I ain't gotta show you Kusama, right? Hit target beautifully, right? Since like what, $100, right? Sucker gonna be pumping all the way potentially to a $400, $500. It is still a hold, but you take some profits, add it to Litecoin, still, you know, sitting tight and relax. Go ahead and check my I got a vet analysis. Go ahead and check my channel for vet, or just put VeChain and crypto on YouTube and you're gonna see my VeChain analysis. If you just type in VeChain send crypto, that's it. Yes, I mean, yes, we can retest the now the half of the week gonna be sometime somewhere around like 48, something like that, 49. I already gave my analysis for my premium, so we're gonna be looking for that range again. I mean, it is still a hold unless like you're leveraging it, right? You're looking for an entry, but it is a buy, like a spot buy. BTC it is still a good spot buy at 52,000 because we're looking for 75,000. So it is not time to be bottom picking and all of that good stuff. Really, we're looking for another 50% move, right? So yeah, half of the week on the 6 hour gonna be like 49,000. On the daily, it is going to be just about 50,000. So I mean, let's see if it's gonna wick down. Okay, if it's gonna, you know, drop down again. Check it on the hourly. Yeah, on the hourly we got the rejection from the hourly 20 from the 2 hour. Let's check the hourly. Yeah, that's a big reversal right here. So that's a big, it might not reverse right away. It can still move sideways, right here, right there, do something like this and drop back down here over the, you know, by like, you know, the 25th and something like that, right? So you just have to be very, very patient with the correction. Otherwise you're gonna get wrecked. All right. XRP is still moving sideways, man. Let's see. XRP. XRP BTC is what you need to be paying attention to, right? On the hourly, we got a nice correction right here. Let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, with this double top, double bottom. If we do not break below this range, we could continue the uptrend. That's going to be bullish versus the dollar. So let's see. Okay, we got similar structure right there before the breakout. Okay, however, if you break this range, we just have to take a look at it again, right? But that's the only bullish pattern I can see on XRP right now. Break below it, I will let it go. I would let it go, okay? Because I'm not trading XRP, just hurdling, okay? I would just hurdle and not try to trade it right now. Just hurdle it by the dip. Got support right here. Just buy every support, every dump. You just buy the dip because we're gonna hit $10, man. It is just a matter of time. So even if BTC hit, like, let's say BTC hits like you know, 100K, right? And XRP is still going to be, you know, 1,000 sats, right? XRP is still going to be at $1, right? So that's what I'm saying. Just pay attention to the BTC pairs, okay? Just pay attention to XRP BTC. That's the most important. Okay, XRP can hit $1 without XRP, even like XRP BTC just moving sideways right here over the next like a few months, right? And XRP USD is still going to hit $1 if BTC goes to 100K. You see what I'm saying? So, and once we break out versus BTC, 3x, 4x versus BTC, bang, we're already at $5. You see what I'm saying? So, so you need to keep an eye on the XRP BTC. That's the most important. You know, that's the most important right now. Yeah, even if XRP is at a, you know, let's say retest like 600 sats. If BTC goes to 100K, XRP is still going to be above 60 cents, right? So, and once we get the moonshot, right? Once we get the moonshot versus BTC, right, all the way up to 10,000 sats and all of that good stuff, right here. Once we hit our 10,000 sats, right, bang, XRP gonna be almost at $10, right? If BTC is at 100K, right? 10,000 sats, 100K, $10. Easy, guys. Easy calculation, easy math. Bang. All right, guys. I'm just gonna call it a day. talk about ADA, it is still bullish. So I mean, somebody says why crypto take a dive every day at, they all took a dive at 8:20 a.m. at the same time. I mean, crypto, when they dump, they all dump at the same time. That's just what it is. It's not like it's not like they took a dive at 8:20 p.m. at the same time. It always work. It is always like that. Okay, when market crashes, right, everything crashes at the same time. But the thing is, after the crash, they're not gonna go up at the same time. So you gotta anticipate the reversal, right, by picking the right coins, right? Yeah, 80 is still looking good. Okay, no sign of reversal. Low sell volume. That was the bull flag right here. We could see a potential $3 ADA. Okay, if like we're gonna keep up the momentum, right? I can delete this because we already hit target. Okay, so we could see potential $3 or potentially $3 ADA. See correction right here on a 2-day basis, like from January, right, 4th through January 31st, right? 30 days of correction. What you got next, right? Right there. We called it right here. When 80 was like 35, that's when we called for the move to the upside, and we said let's just suck it up because 88 BTC is bullish, so no need to be messing with 88 USD. No need to be messing with 88 USD. So next target 140, next fib level to look for 140, and then 168, 216, 295, 440. Easy. Okay. It's not going to be a straight line. Once again, it could do something like this. Move sideways and bang. All right, guys. Hey, Wilborn. I'm just gonna call it a day. NEM is just moving sideways. NEM is not doing anything yet. It's just moving sideways. So just gotta break out. Need to break above this 1400 sats. If you can't break the 1400 sat, it is likely to go to 2000 sats, just like 88. Okay, just like 88. So. But for as of now, since like August, it's just been moving sideways on the macro scale. Okay, so starting to look good. Look for a break above 1400 to 1500, right? And we could be looking for the 2000 resistance. NEM, XLM, and ADA. I just have to remember them. Okay, they move together. Okay. So, gracias. One Speed says gracias. Thanks a lot, One Speed. All right, guys. Thanks a lot, man. I'll talk to you guys later. Be safe out there. Don't forget to join the public Telegram group. Also, guys, make sure to hit the likes if you haven't done so, right? And subscribe, hit the notification, and all that good stuff. Not time to be panicking. We're going to the moon, guys. Buckle up. All right, guys. Thanks a lot.